So in this video we are going to learn about value of the polynomial and zero of the polynomial. So it is a very interesting easy topic and you can learn it easily. Suppose when they ask you to find the value of the polynomial, always they will give you some numbers like p of 1 or p of 2 or minus 3 or anything. So p of 1 and p of 2 I will explain you. Now when you're finding the value of the polynomial, they gave you p of x and we have to find p of 1 first. That means in place of x we have to keep 1 in a given polynomial. So this is the polynomial. In place of x we have to keep 1 minus 1 whole cube is there. So 1 cube 1 raised to 3 is nothing but 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So that means p of 1 we got 0. So for a polynomial, value of the polynomial, if you get 0, then we will say p of 1 equal to 0 means then we will say it is a 0 of a polynomial. And similarly, let's try p of 2. They gave you t cube x cube minus 1. That means in place of x we have to keep 2. P of 2 equal to 2 raised to 3 minus 1. 2 raised to 3 is, that means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 minus 1. That is 8 minus 1 is 7. So P of 2 we got 7. That means this is not a 0 of the polynomial. Whenever you will get P of x equal to 0, then we will say 0 of the polynomial. Now here P of x we got, when we substituted 2 we got 7. That means this is not a 0 of the polynomial and the value of the polynomial is 7. And let's try p of minus 2 x cube minus 1. Now x cube minus 1, in place of x we have to keep minus 2. So minus 2 whole cube minus 1. That means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So minus are in odd number. Whenever you will get odd power, raised to is any odd number, means if you multiply all the minus, again you will get minus only. Remember this as a trick. And multiply this 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. And since it is a power is an odd, so directly you can write the negative. If it is an even, you can keep plus directly. So minus 8 minus 1. When both the minus symbols are same, you have to do addition. So 8 plus 1 is 9 and we will keep minus symbol. So p of minus 2 we got minus 9. And this is not a 0 of the polynomial, just the value of the polynomial of minus 2 we got minus 9. So like this, whenever they will ask you to find the value of the polynomial or a 0 of the polynomial, means they will give you the polynomial, any question of a polynomial like p of x equal to, I gave example of this, and beside they will give you some numbers. So and when you're substituting when you're finding p of 1, means you have to, in place of x, in place of a variable, you have to keep 1 and check after finding the and simplifying the sum. If you get 0, means you will say that is a 0 of the polynomial. If you won't get 0, means it is just no, we won't mention it is a 0 of the polynomial. We'll just write value of the polynomial is 7. Exercise 3.1, fourth bit, they gave you check minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial or not. They gave the polynomial as x power 4 minus 16. That means p of x they gave equal to x power 4 minus 16, and we have to check p of minus 2 whether we got 0 or not. If we got 0, then we'll say it is a 0 of the polynomial. So let's see. So that means in place of x we have to keep minus 2. So minus 2 whole raised to 4 minus 16. Now p of, it is a degree is even number, so we'll get positive only. So we have to multiply 2 4 times because the power is 4. 4 times 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to 16. So 16 plus 16 minus 16 is 0. That means p of minus 2 we got 0. That means it is a 0 of the polynomial. Given for minus p of minus 2 we got 0, so it is a 0 of the polynomial. That means minus 2 is a 0 of the polynomial for a given polynomial. and similarly they ask you to check 2 also. So let's do p of 2. In place of x we have to keep 2 plus 2 whole raised to 4 minus 16 plus 2 whole raised to 4. Again you'll get 2 into 2 into 2. If you multiply you'll get 16 only. 16 minus 16, again we got 0. That means p of 2 and p of minus 2, both are 0 of the polynomial. That means minus 2 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial of this x power 4 minus 16. So like this you will be finding the solution when they ask you to find 0 of the polynomial. And exercise 3.1 fifth bit, try as the homework, same like this only. You have to check, substitute the values in the given polynomial and check whether it is a 0 of the polynomial or not. Please subscribe my channel for more videos, and you can comment and share the videos.